Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Summoner's War. Rush Error Code NSE 10001. The error reads, "Unable to connect to the game server. Please try again in a moment." As per our research, the error comes when players try to start the game, but are unable to get in. According to our research, the error is most likely related to a network issue or a temporary server problem. The first thing we suggest is to power cycle your device along with the router. Simply shut down your device and router, then disconnect them from the power source, then wait for around 5 minutes, and then restart both. Once done, check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, try switching to a different network. You can connect your device to another Wi-Fi or a mobile hotspot. Then, check if the error is resolved. If changing the network doesn't help, then check if there is any pending update for the game. If yes, then update the game and see if this fixes the error. If none of these steps work, then probably the issue is from the server side. In this case, we suggest you wait for some time and try again later. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.